Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock a hidden Canva element pack that called Warm Holiday Moments Illustration Set. It's a super cozy Christmas collection featuring Santa characters, couples, fireplace, family scenes, and more. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just open any designs on that you want, and then next, just tap on elements and then just search for this code. Just type this code and then just hit enter and OK like this. You will see unlock the warm holiday moments illustration set like this. A collection filled with self from hand drawing Christmas characters like Santa's and then cozy fireplace, family scenes like this, and many more. These elements are perfect for maybe holiday cards, festive poster, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories, or maybe family theme holiday designs and many more. Just try it out and then add some festive magic to your Canva designs. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.